Fuzzball. Psst, psst, psst. Oi. This here is a local stray. He sits in this garden regularly. I've taken care of him for about 4 or 5 years now, maybe even 7. He's a floofy cute cat. There he goes, that's where he sits. He's an absolute beauty, deserves a lot of care and a lot of love, don't you? That is a beautiful cat. The owner doesn't remind me filming him. He's aware I do. This cat, people, if you pass him, he is a stray, he is fed, but certainly giving him a bit of food wouldn't do any harm. The owner's not too bothered about me filming. He said it's okay. That was about 7 years ago now. Oi, fuzzball! Oi! Face! Absolute fluffy cat. He looks like a lion. Fuzzball! Fuzzball! Blind fuzzball!